Okay, YouTube, I'm going to show you how to remove the rear window out of a Gen 2 Prius. I couldn't find any video on this, and it's not like the other windows. So first thing, you've probably seen people take off panels of these things before. First thing you want to do is you want to come over and you want to measure down 1 foot. You want to make sure the window is 1 foot down. That'll align the screws down at the bottom. So what we want to do is we want to start out with, we want to take out, there's a little plastic cover in here that we need to take out, and it just pries out. And behind that, we're going to find a Phillips screwdriver. A Phillips screw, not a Phillips screwdriver. Gotta take that out. We're going to take this out. Alright, so this will come out like that. So that frees everything out. Now we're going to take off the panel itself. And underneath here, there's actually a place where you can actually grab and just pull. But I actually like to use a pry tool and just put it in here, and you just kind of twist it sideways and get it next to where the connectors are. And it makes it a little bit less of a chance of doing any damage to the connectors on the door. And this one's actually pretty hard to get off anyway. There you go. So there's those two. Good. Now come up this side. And you just put it in there and kind of just turn the pry tool sideways. Good. Get it a little higher. Good. So now this panel will come off. Then we will have to this just pushes out from the bottom, very easy to get out. And then a little push clip right here, and that comes out like that. So now we have the panel off. And then this one obviously has the JBL speakers. Okay, so that panel is off. Alright, so now we put this down so we can get to these two screws. Right there, there's one in there and one in there. So on here, we're going to want to take and remove this plastic. And the glue they use, I guess, is a butyl glue that is really, really sticky, which makes it hard to get off. But it also makes it so that if you can peel it, you can actually use it to re-stick it back down again. So what I found is if you can get it started and get it started to pull away, then you can actually work on it. And this one's actually a little bit harder than the last one I did. So we're going to go ahead and pull this. And what I like to do is I like to get behind where the glue is. Like this. And let's go around this side. Cut a little hole in it. Doesn't make any difference because this is just going to get sucked down, and this is just a vapor barrier pretty much. But this one is stuck on really, really good. And what I'm doing is I'm just pulling back, keeping the laser blade straight up next to the car to try not to scratch up the car and try not to cut through the plastic. Doing it all at the same time. I'll go back this way. Now I know a lot of guys that do this, they just kind of rip this thing out and they just don't replace it. And for me, it does help with the moisture in the car, and I just like to put stuff back the same way I got it. And this glue is just really, really sticky. So if you want to fast forward this part, you can. I'm almost done to where I've got to get to. So we're going to go ahead and pull this. Good. Now I can get it back behind us so you can see that it's actually pulling away. And then I can actually just use the knife and pull away where the butyl glue is pulling. And what we're trying to get to is we're trying to get to a couple bolts in here. There we go. We got to get up to that other hole. And let me actually stop the video and fast forward through this. Where I'm getting to right now is right in here. And honestly, if I would have known it would have been this much trouble to get into here, I would have been tempted just to open up the holes where I got to get to and just put tape over those holes. This is way harder to get off than I had expected. And I'm actually replacing this entire door. This one has a big big dent in it, and it's cheaper. It was cheaper to go pick and pull and buy a new door than it was to go and have a body man actually fix the dent in my door. So, you know, I don't know why I'm being that careful with this, because this is all going to be gone anyway, because I'm replacing all this. But still trying to do it right. Okay. So now we got this free. Now we got two bolts. We got this one right here, 10 millimeter. And then we have another one right in here, another 10 millimeter. Okay, now the window is free. Now we have to take out this bolt right here. This goes to a track. Now let's go to the rest of this. This is where it gets fun. Now you got to take out this screw right here. You have to peel back your trim here. You see two screws here. Those need to come out. And then you have one more screw behind this weather stripping right here. So we're going to take this and peel this out like this. Okay, got that peeled out. And there's going to be a screw right here. Now, this piece right here, we got a track right there that needs to come out, and it comes out and it actually pushes down towards the bottom. Let's see if we can't get this. So I'm just pulling the weather stripping straight up like this. Now, this track, so as you can see here, the window, if we pop it out of this little spot here, and then where the other bolt up, there's another place that pops out. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get it and put it behind the track so it goes down into the door. Good. Now let's see if this will come out. Okay, that's out. Now, this part right here, pries out like that. And now we can take the window, and the window comes out just like that. So that's actually how you remove the window out of a 2004 through 2009 Gen 2 Prius. And then it'll go back together the same way I just took it apart. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. If you like the video, like it and subscribe. Have a great day.